toothbrush. Am I like dumb? Let's use this little dry bar one. So we're meeting some friends for din tonight. I'm gonna brush my teeth really quick just so that they're, you know, extra clean. It might be nice. I'm trying to get like you, my boy. Hey, my toothpaste doesn't want to come out. Oh, there it is. Oh, you're kidding. You're kidding. That literally just happened. Yeah. Love it. Literally could not have been like a more perfect like time to do that. Okay, let's try this again. Got it. Face is washed. Now, I'm gonna take my Sunday Riley Good Jeans thing. Just put one pump all across my face. Now I'm gonna go pick an outfit first before I do my makeup. So, yeah. Hi. I'm almost all ready for dinner. Yeah. Yeah, this is more the vibe. So the jacket's from Misguided. My shirt is just like a plain black shirt. And then my pants are from Adika. They have like a little slit down the middle. Gotta put on my socks. And I'll see you after dinner. So I have to figure out what to wear. I'm just thinking like sporty cash, you know? Alright, so I have Lulu's, a black hoodie, and then I'm just gonna throw this hat on. It's green. No shit, Sherlock. Alright, and then I'm gonna throw a trench coat on. To pair it with the YSL. This YSL goes with everything. I love her. And then I just paired it with some Dunk Lows. Cute. It is freezing outside. Oh my god, they match my hat. That's perfect. Ooh! It's cold. I have these little hooks on the back. They keep like my bag in place. I literally went to bed at like I think 4:30. And I woke up at like 7 a.m. to Confident by Justin Bieber playing on my phone. I was like hearing it in my sleep, and then I remember waking up and like pressing pause on my phone. How that started playing on my phone, I genuinely have no idea. But it was. And it was a really weird experience. So Believer forever. I did some damage at Target. Okay. So at Target, I got the Stars Above pajama, but in black. If you don't know about the Stars Above line, it is literally Skims and you are sleeping on it. Like, it is literally a dupe for Skims. It's great. And it's like a quarter of the price. But I just got the black ones and they have like pink trim. And they're so soft. But there was only an extra small, so I grabbed it and I'm gonna try it, and if it obviously like doesn't fit, I'm gonna return it. But I got the ROC or whatever, the Rock Retinol Correction Line Smoothing Eye Cream, Advanced Retinol, to try it. It was, I believe, $17, but my dermatologist recommended it, so we'll see. Gum for my car, and then I got this bin because I really want to organize my like skincare and like body care under my bathroom sink. So that's what I got this for. I might end up getting another one if I like it. And then this is just cat food. Literally just cat food. Wow, the sun is really hitting me. Look at the sun. Look at the sun. The sun's hitting me. Really nice. Okay, I love you, babe.
I love you.
I will talk to you soon. I love you, bye. Okay. Now I'm going to pick up my cousin to go to school with me so I can return my books. Because they're due today at 4:30 and it's 4 o'clock right now. Oh, another thing that I got at Target today was these Febreze things for my car. And I used to get the Old Spice ones, but I couldn't find that one today. And those are the ones that literally smell the best. So I got this Ocean one. And it smells really good. It smells like laundry detergent. So that one's kind of good. And so I cleaned out my car today. I literally cleaned it, vacuumed it, did like everything to it. I have to return that pajama. I tried it on and I got an extra small because it was the only one available and I really want a black one. But so I just took it to try it at home and I tried it on and it's like, it like fits, but it's just like too clingy to my body, and it's not like what I want a pajama to feel like. I want my pajama to be comfy, you know? But anyways, I cleaned up my car and I knew I had an extra one of the Old Spice Febreze car fresheners, but I literally can't find it anywhere. And I cleaned up my car today and it's literally nowhere to be found, so solid. Say hi to the vlog.
Again?
What do you mean again?
I was on it last time.
Oh yeah. Peace out. Good morning. It is so pretty outside. It is super white and it's like those like small, those big flurries that are falling down slowly. It's really cute. I love it. Yeah, I'm gonna go make my smoothie. The sun is out and it stopped snowing. I've been in my room for like the past 2 hours taking a final, but I did my makeup. Cute or whatever. I look good. I didn't put on a lip. I don't know if I even want to because there's really no point. But I'm getting ready for work. And I just have one errand to run. I have to go to Bed Bath & Beyond to pick up my steamer that I bought because I want to start steaming my clothes before I put them in my closet. Like after laundry, I want to steam my clothes and then hang them up. I'm gonna wear Lulu's underneath my leather pants because it is freezing outside. So, and then if you guys didn't know, anything that I wear, use, or mention in my videos, it's always going to be linked down below. I just started doing that in my previous vlog. Oh, that's cute. Oh, that's cute. Yep. Didn't think it was going to look like that, but it does, and I'm glad it does. This is how we look. Yes! Right? I actually really love. And then I think when I was in the shower last night, I left my rings up here. Yeah, I did. Because I forgot to take them off pre-shower, and then the rings get caught in my hair. So I just take them off and put them up there. So I don't feel like I have to do a lip. I'll be right back. I'm gonna do my NYX Nude Truffle. It's literally my daily lip liner. It's so bright out. Oh my god, it's so bright out. I'm using my little viewfinder as a mirror. Okay, cool. And I'm using this lip oil, KAB, I think, in Rum Punch. A big glob of snow just fell from that tree and it scared me. Okay, so I just put on the boots. They're these like thigh-high boots, and now that I think about it, I should probably, instead of wearing like straight leg leather pants, I should probably just wear like skinny leg pants, you know, to show that they're thigh-high. But I want to see how this looks first.
I begin to
I got a few Urban packages. I hate how Urban Outfitters always sends their packages. Like, I had like a pretty big order and they always send them like separately. I did not order 2 orange ones. What is this? Like, I forget what I ordered. I could have sworn, so I got one of these for Elvis because he was wanting one. But I did not order 2 of these. I ordered one black one for myself. There's no way I ordered 2 of those. See, I knew it. Oh no, this is his again. This is actually really cute. And I did get 2.
But I also did get the black one. Maybe I did mean to get it for myself. But it's kind of cute, so. I love it. Okay. But yeah, he also got this one. And I know this is not gonna fit his big head. Yeah, it barely fits mine, dude. Okay. Whatever, he wanted it. Okay, I have to go to Bed Bath & Beyond, pick up my order. My camera's about to die. So I'm gonna go to Bed Bath & Beyond, pick up my order, and then I'm gonna go to work. Yeah. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I will see you in the next one. Remember, everything that I use, wear, mention is always linked down below. Bye.